What is up, friends? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Chelsea and this is the Bay Area Beauty Series where I take you behind the scenes on different beauty services and treatments around the Bay. I am doing a teeth whitening treatment today. I'm a total newbie at this, and considering how much black coffee and red wine I drink, staining just kind of creeps up on you out of nowhere, and I feel like a great smile is your number one accessory. So I feel like when your teeth look good, like it's just, you have that ingrained extra boost of confidence. So we're gonna see what we can do to my teeth today. I am a pretty good candidate for this type of treatment. I don't have veneers or crowns, but definitely check out the description box below. I am at Nani Dental Hygiene in Richmond in the Bay Area, in the East Bay, my old stomping grounds. This is the before, and I'll definitely show you the after. So we're gonna get started here and I'll show you a little bit of the process along the way. That's wild. So the treatment's only 20 minutes and look at my teeth. So I've got a take-home tray and a take-home whitening pen that Nani's gonna give me that I can use daily after I brush and floss to maintain the whiteness, and I can kind of just use that every single day to even go up 2 more shades, but I'm so happy. So it's been about a week since my teeth whitening treatment at Nani Dental Hygiene, and as you can see, my teeth are still really super bright white. So I haven't yet used my take-home kit. So Nani gave me, as you saw, the mold that I used during my whitening treatment, and then the take-home pen with the brush tip applicator. So it's currently the early afternoon. I finished my lunch, I brushed my teeth, and then I flossed. Now I'm gonna do my teeth whitening treatment with the pen. All you do is leave this in for 20 minutes, then you rinse your mouth, and you're good to go. So I'm gonna zoom in and show you exactly how easy it is to do. And voila, here we are 20 minutes later, like the professional teeth whitening service Nani gave me in her studio. This at-home pen did not sensitize my teeth at all. It's very gentle. I had no tingling sensation. The hardest part, honestly, for me is just controlling the drool. I'm typically a mouth breather, and just, you know, the drool begins to accumulate. So that's kind of why at the end there I was just like hanging on tight. But honestly, 20 minutes goes by pretty quickly. So what's great about the take-home whitening pen is that it's gentle enough to use every single day. Obviously, it's ideal to use without mouth guard because you're not absorbing the product into your gums or licking it off of your teeth. It's kind of just staying put on your teeth where you need it to be. And I will continue to test out the take-home whitening pen, so make sure you follow me on Instagram. I'm at Chelsea Pearl. I also saved a dedicated Instagram story highlight with all of my stories regarding the teeth whitening journey so far. I highly recommend booking in with Nani. She has the world's most gentlest hands. She's who I go to regularly for my routine teeth cleanings, and she has a website which I will link down below. You can call her to book your treatment, and she can do your teeth whitening service right after your teeth cleaning. So if you have any questions, please leave me a comment down below. Please be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. I have an entire playlist called Bay Area Beauty if you'd like to see more of the behind the scenes on different beauty treatments and services around the Bay. I will link that down below and in the cards above. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you very soon in the next one.